Morning everyone, it's about 9 a.m. Here we are at a lovely Swiss waterfall just before the Chalet de Glacial, and just before we
I'm not filtering this.
No, it's pretty good actually.
Pretty good.
So here we are doing a pretty standard water bottle fill. Get my water bottle. Now luckily there's no cows above us and no animals, so the water should be relatively clean here.
Take a drink. What do you want for
Yeah, it's pretty good. If I taste the minerals in that water. So here we are. We slept just over there. You can see the cross maybe just passed it down a little there. And that's where we had our tent set up. And otherwise it's a very beautiful morning. The sun's finally hit us. We're warming up.
Sun rose at approximately 8:10 over the mountain, 8:05.
Yeah, just after 8 o'clock, so now we're doing pretty well. Alright, we'll join back with you later.